The best thing that I know about live streaming lectures is that you don't have a strict time limit that you have to focus on. When you do a lecture in a classroom, you you need to finish by, let's say, 12 o'clock. You have to get out of there because that's the time slot you have. And then if you start drifting on a tangent or some anecdotes, then you have to drive Formula One to catch up before the time runs out. When you do a live stream, you don't have this issue. Because what I did now today on my third acoustic lecture for this round is that I just went forward in my own pace and nice and easy. And it turned out to be, I think, 2 hours, 17 minutes instead of 2 hours. I mean, who cares? Because you can still watch this lecture in whenever you like it on demand.